Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gawande. Today we'll discuss about the planetary mixer in this pharmaceutical engineering video which is for the chapter mixing. Now here this planetary mixer, it is used for the mixing of solid and liquid. The solid is going to mix with the liquid. The basic mechanism or the basic principle behind this planetary mixer, that is a shear. The shear which is imparted or which is applied between this moving blade. See, this is the moving blade and this is the stationary valve. This is the stationary wall and this is the moving blade. Now generally this moving blade, it is off center. It is off center. It is not exactly present in the center. This is called as mixing arm. This is called as mixing arm. So this mixing arm moves around its own axis and around the central axis, and so it reaches to the every spot and every corner of this vessel, and it gives you an efficient type of the mixing. It gives you an efficient type of the mixing. The plates in the blades, they are sloped. The plates in the blades, they are sloped, so the powder makes it what makes an upward movement, upward and downward movement, so we can achieve a tumbling action also. Here with the help of the planetary mixer, we are achieving the tumbling action because of the blades, the what we can say, the as the blades are sloped here, the design of the blade, we are getting the tumbling action here as the material moves upward, right? So this is what the principle of this planetary mixer, that is the shear which is present between the this blade and the this what we can say, the stationary wall, right? Now we'll see the construction. Now see, these are the moving blades. This one is also one, this is, and this, these three are the blades we can use in the planetary mixer. Now it consists of a vertical cylinder. See, this is the vertical cylinder shell which can be removed. This can be removed. The blade is mounted on the top of the ball. The blade, it is mounted on the top of the ball, and this blade, it is generally off center. It is not present exactly in the center, so that the mixing action will be towards the edges of this ball, towards the edges of the ball. And mixing shaft, it is driven by planetary gear. Planetary gear से ये mixing shaft को drive किया जाता है, and is normally built with variable speed drive. It is normally built with a variable speed drive. Now in this way, this is the construction. Now the material which we have to mix, that material, it is taken in this bowl. The solid, it is taken in the bowl. Slight liquid is added in this bowl, and with the help of this blade, it is this blade rotates with a speed which is fixed, and with the help of this blade you get a kneading action with because of the shear, and you will get the mixture of solid and liquid. Can be used for the mixing of solid also. Now now we'll see about the uses of this planetary mixer. It is used for the breakdown of the agglomerates rapidly. If agglomerates are there, to break that agglomerates rapidly, this planetary mixer is used. Low speeds are used for dry blendings. अगर dry blending है आपके पास, then in that dry blendings are used at low speeds, and fast for the weight granulation. अगर weight granulation करना है तो जनरली टैबलेट्स में वगैरह weight granulation करते हैं, तो उसके लिए we need the fast speed. Now what are the advantages? The speed of rotation can be varied with the whatever you want. The speed of rotation you can vary it, and it is more useful for weight granulation process. Weight granulation means the mixture of solid and liquid. But what are the disadvantages of this? That mechanical heat is built up within the powder mixture. There may be chances that there may be generation of the mechanical heat. It requires power. Power energy जो है वो ज़्यादा है, high power it requires, and it has limited size and useful for batch work only. It has a limited size and it is used for the batch work only. For the batches, it is not a continuous mixer. It is a batch mixer. It is a batch mixer, so it has a limited size. You can only mix a little amount of the material by using this mixer. So if you like this video, please do like and share. So this is about the planetary mixer. In the next video, we'll discuss about the Zeta blender or the Sigma mixer. Thank you very much.